Months after a public row over the Nandigram violence, Governor Gopal Krishna Gandhi switched off lights at the Raj Bhavan to drive home the message in times of relentless power cuts. Now the CPM has retaliated. CPM leader Biman Bose says it's time to seriously reconsider the governor's office. Right, for more on that, we can go across to NDTV's Monedeepa. Monedeepa, this relationship has been uneasy for a long time, ever since Nandigram, but now it's an all-out war.
Well, you could say that it is the beginning of a definite clash between the governor and the CPIM party once again. They had clashed over Nandigram, and this is because the governor had issued a suo motu statement on Nandigram condemning the government in no uncertain terms. And yesterday, governor's office issued a press release in which it was announced that the governor feels that the Raj Bhavan, where he lives, should be no exception to the kind of power cuts that Kolkata is facing, and therefore for 2 hours today he would voluntarily put off power at Raj Bhavan. And that's what they did at 1:30 sharp. All the fans and lights that we could see of the Raj Bhavan were switched off. We saw the Raj Bhavan's guard office near the gate. That's where some fans were on till 1:30, and then at 1:30 sharp they went off. The other personal experience that I had of the governor's house without power was I tried to call the governor's office through the PBX, but I got a no reply, indicating that the PBX too had stopped working because power had been switched off. Lights came back at 2:30, but they're supposed to go back off again at 6 o'clock in the evening and stay off for 1 hour till 7. Gargi?
Right, Monedeepa, thanks for joining us with that. Let's now just listen in to what Biman Bose had to say.
I don't like to pass much comment on what governor saying, but I do feel that after 60 years of independent India, this should be discussed all over the country, whether the post of governors are necessary.